What's up, guys? Today we're doing an opening of NBA Hoops. It comes with 7 packs, 8 cards per pack. So let's see what we get. Got Cole Anthony on the back. Cool little design right here. Oops. Grady Dick, Julian Phillips, Rasheer Fleming rookie, Kawhi Leonard, Zachary Russo. Okay. Got absolutely nothing in that pack. So. Okay, next we got a hardwired Jason Tatum. I assume that's just an insert. If it was a case hit, that'd be nice, but I don't absolutely nothing. Next we got Cedric Howard rookie. Pascal Siakam all-star on like parallel. Hey, there we go. We got Steph Curry, Nick Clifford, Porzingis, Andre Drummond, Nikola Jokic on the parallel. 2 packs down. That next pack is pretty good. So we got Ace Bailey on the Buzz. That's pretty cool. We got Buddy Hields. This one looks different. I don't know what it is. Does it have a different number? No, same number. I don't know why this one looks different. Bob Carrington, Derek Lively, Ryan Calbreaker. Nothing really that pack. We got the Ace Bailey, but hey, we got a Chet Holmgren green. Is this numbered or anything? Not numbered. It's green. Eamon Thompson, Brandon Miller, Billy Jovic, Desmond Bain, Jason Tate, Kyrie Irving, Donovan Clean. 3 more packs. Got Wemby on the back. We got another green of Porzingis. It's a cool color match. We got like a X Factor. Tyler Hero on the parallel. DeMar DeRozan. John Morant on the highlights. That's a sick card. Najee Marshall. Victor. Cool one. 2 more packs. Desmond Bain, Jaren Jackson Jr., Alex Sarr, Russell Westbrook, Shade, Kobe White, Aaron Gordon, Drew Holiday. Last pack. Come on, give me a Cooper rookie. We got Lowry, Mitchell Robinson, Gary Payton, Joe Brunson, DeAndre Hunter, Bruce Brown, Cole Bridges, Chaz Lanier. Okay. Well, that's all the packs. I didn't really get much, but, you know, it's a pretty cool product.